Welcome. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the 9-hole peg test, a simple yet effective tool used to assess finger dexterity. This test is commonly used in both clinical and research settings. These are the equipments required. To begin, identify the dominant hand. Next, the patient is asked to pick up one peg at a time and place it into each hole on the board as quickly as possible. Once all 9 pegs are in, the patient then removes them one by one, returning them to the container. The time it takes to complete this task is recorded and used to measure fine motor skills and coordination. The test is usually repeated with the opposite hand for comparison. Alternatively, the number of pegs placed in 50 or 100 seconds can be recorded. In this case, results are expressed as the number of pegs placed per second. Thanks for watching.